We children like traveling, but we don't enjoy long rides.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
So what is this place from where you can see the whole city of Dubai and be in the middle of the sea?
Today, I will give you a tour on the Great Blue Waters.
So how can we see the whole view of Dubai from here? Dubai Eye, the largest Ferris wheel in the world, that is 2 times bigger than the first Ferris wheel in Las Vegas. It can hold up to 1,400 passengers in just 48 capsules. It is also connected to JBR Beach by a pedestrian bridge.
This bridge also has an excellent balcony to view the wonderful sea, but be careful not to fall from the bars. This is one of my most favorite places to view the beautiful views of Dubai.
It has 200 places for entertainment at your fingertip.
This bridge is an excellent place to see one of the most glorious views and smell the fresh breeze of the sea. This is one of the most best examples of urban development in the city.
In the Blue Water Island, there is a fascinating gallery. It is small, yet it's exquisite. It holds many of masterpieces. Blue Waters is a special place where you can enjoy the isolation of an island while being in the city.